Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. In this video, I wanted to show you guys another one of the Makartt jelly polishes. And so that it wasn't just a plain pink jelly polish nail, I added a few extras like this glitter that you're seeing me adding right now. And then I also added a pink and black feather after I got done with the nail, and I added all the acrylic and my first coat of jelly polish. Then I added the feather just so that it would be, you know, not just a regular jelly nail. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. I would appreciate that also. And thanks so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back in and tell you guys about the difficulties I had with this feather. It seems like it's going on really easy here, but I had to stop the camera and finish it off camera because it was difficult. I had to use my Mia Secret glue, then I also had to use my glue that I used to apply tips just to get it to stick down. So it was difficult to get it to stay on. Eventually, and then at the end I went in, I used two coats of top coat just to make sure that it was stuck down and stayed in place. And here it is now. You see me going in with this first coat of top coat. I put this first coat on and then I cured for 60 seconds. And then I put another coat on, like I said, after this one, cured for another 60 seconds. I had to make sure that this thing stayed in place. But I just wanted to pop back in and let you guys know how hard that was to get on there. But thanks again for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks. Bye. Okay guys, one more thing real quick. I just wanted to talk to you guys about this Mia Secret gel resin and that activator spray. That you definitely, if you're gonna use that gel resin, I would definitely recommend getting that activator spray because it literally like freezes the glue in place. Without it, that glue takes a really long time to dry and it gets a bit annoying. So I would suggest definitely getting that activator spray if you're going to use that Mia Secret gel resin. I just wanted to let you guys know that real quick because I struggled with it before I got that activator spray. So definitely get the activator spray if you're going to use the resin. Okay, bye again.